Here we've stumbled upon a den of the elusive Snoring Beast of St. Augustine. It's very hard to see because the only time they come out is at night, when it's really dark, so we've got a candle. We're going to try to wake one of them.
Look this way.
See if we can get one on film with the candle. Listen to that snoring. Let's move on. Let's find another one. From the sounds of it, there's at least 3 of them here.
Snoring.
This one a little bit weaker than the last one. He must not have gotten enough booze.
This one over here was snoring, but it's awakened. Oh shit.
This one seems to have gone into deep hibernation. Maybe we can get one last grasp out of him. I guess not. I told you they're elusive. That ends this episode of Snoring Wallaby Bastards of St. Augustine. See you next time.